Hmm? You ready for your present? What's this? You want to open this up? Probably need to put your rings down. Put our rings down. And... Oh, you're going to need help. Yeah, you're going to get that bow. Rip the bow off. Rip the bow off. Rip the bow off. Ah, good job. You got the bow. You got the bow. Huh? Got the ribbon. Did you get the ribbon next? Oh. Get that off. Oh. Right there. Right there. You almost got it. You almost got it, baby. You want some help? Right there. Open it right here. Right there. Rip it off. There you go. Yeah. I got this one. There's still more. There's still more. Yeah, huh? That's a good job. Wanna rip off some more?
Oh, God bless you.
Yeah. Oh. Are you too sleepy? You're too sleepy for presents?
Yeah, what happens when you wait up all night for Santa? He doesn't come. You're sleepy.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's upside down. Oh. It's a book. Huh? It's a Rhyme and Discover book. Yeah, does that look like fun? Yeah? You want to sit down? Look at it? Sit down, look at it. Yeah, huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah, scissors, fun toy. Let's get your book out. Okay, yeah. Done. Yeah, I'm working on it, huh? Scissors back. Who knows if we need batteries too. There it is.
Let's read and sing together. Let's read and sing together. Fluttery butterfly. Hey, diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. It's time for a rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
You go to the next page?
Peekaboo, you found me. It's story time. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Listen to the sheep sing. Hey, diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon.
That's pretty fun.